National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Harper County, western Kingman County, western Reno County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., the line of severe thunderstorms extended from St. John to Sawyer to 9 miles west of Medicine Lodge to 21 miles west of Harder, moving east at 30 miles per hour. You can expect quarter-size hail and 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Kingman, Nashville, Cunningham, Huron, Sylvia, Penalosa, Zenda, Attica, Abbeville, Arlington, Partridge, Nickerson, Waldron, Willowdale, Langdon, Plevna, Spivey, Cleveland, Kingman Airport, and Crystal Springs.